We are, pardon me?
100%? No
100%.
government?
We get no government at all. So it's all donations of what you pay for your tours. So most of us, we have a few paid employees here. The remainder of us, which is a big portion of us, are all volunteers.
Wow, that's great.
And we have, we've got paid vet techs. That's our clinic right over there. So we've got surgery suite. We've got everything set up for any animals that come in that are injured. And we have our vets are all of our veterinarians are all, come do the, even if they get called in the middle of the night with an injured animal that's coming in, we'll have one of them that donates their time and will come in and take care of the animal. So we started in 1994. So we've been here almost 25 years. We're on 10 acres, and this seems like a lot, but we have really a lot of animals here. You will see, the sanctuary animals that you will see are ones that can never be released back into the wild. And as an organization, Linda Searles, who started it, we started it with a baby coyote who had been orphaned. A farmer plowed his field, had accidentally plowed over the entrance to a coyote den. When he turned around to come back, he could see this little tiny fluff ball standing on top of the mound of dirt. And he went over there to check to see, and he could see the cave in. So he dug all the dirt out of the den, the mouth of the den, but the mama and the other babies had died. They had suffocated. So here he's got this little baby coyote, and he goes, okay, I killed this old family. I can't leave it here. And he knew it could not exist on its own out in the wild that time. It needed somebody to take care of it. Well, he knew he couldn't keep it because in Arizona it's against the law to have a wild animal as a pet. So it passed through a few hands until Linda Searles, our director, found out about it. And she has a lifelong love of animals, and she said, I'll take the coyote. I want to start someplace like this. And in 1994, there were no sanctuaries, period. So when they tried to see, well, where can we take this coyote? All the rescue places were for domestic animals, dogs and cats and the like, and they all said, sorry, we can't take it, we'll have to put it to sleep. Well, that was not an option, and Linda said, no, I'll take it. So she took the little coyote, a boy, and she named it Don. So we have Don Coyote, Don Quixote, and he lived to be 20